Hi friends. I hope you are all fine. Today our topic is Introduction to Computer Science, which we start with the definition of computer. What is a computer? A computer is an electronic device that accepts data from input devices, processes the data, stores the data and then produces the output process and shows us useful information that people can understand directly. What is data? The collection of raw facts and figures or anything in raw form is called data. For example, 2 plus 2 facts, text, graphical, images, sound and video segments that have meaning in the user environment is called data. We can't take any decision on only data. Data types. Numeric data, 0 to 9. Refers to quantities and money amounts used in calculations. Alphabetic data, A to Z. Alphabetic data is in the form of alphabets as well as space between two words. Like Syed Muhammad, Karachi. Computer studies etc. Alphanumeric data, plus, minus, asterisk, slash, 0 to 9. A to Z. Alphanumeric data is a combination of alphabetic and numeric characters. Graphic data. It consists tables, charts, graphic and statements. Audio data. It consists only sound. For example, radio news. Video data. It consists photos, image and moving picture. Mixed data. Combination of audio and video data. Data processing. CDP, conventional data processing. CDP is manual processing such as 2 plus 2 by using your own mind. EDP, electronic data processing. EDP is electronic or automatic processing. Capture the input, to manipulate the data, to produce output. EDP, electronic data processing. Hardware, the physical elements of computer, something that you are able to touch such as CPU, mouse, keyboard etc. Software. Software is a collection of instructions and code installed into the computer and cannot be touched, such as Windows, Internet browser etc. Procedure. Procedure is the process how to use it such as input, output. User. Personal, any person, user, that are using a computer. What is information? The process form of data is called information. Or, the organized form of data in meaningful form by which people can take decision is called information. Process form of data, 2 plus 2 equals 4. The organized form of data. Name Ali, father name Muhammad, class 6th, roll number 03. The meaning full form of data, news, book etc. Difference between data and information. Data input raw not meaningful asset not sale independent not decision rarely information output process meaningful ready for sale dependent decision frequently. Thanks for watching the video. So don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. And press the bell icon for notification of upcoming video. Thank you.